Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have essentials: account, roster, and a clear learning objective. First, open Wordwall and select a template that supports the interaction you want. Then import your 5-10 questions and any images. This saves time later. Once done, map questions to the template fields and label them so you can quickly edit. Make sure to save regularly as you work. Wordwall autosaves, but an explicit save prevents accidental loss during heavy editing. Now focus on detailed execution. Customize each item's wording and add audio or images where helpful. Next, configure timing limits, point values, and whether items shuffle. This affects engagement and fairness. Once configured, use the preview or student view to verify layout, text readability, and navigation flow. This step catches UI issues early. If you teach multiple groups, duplicate and tweak settings per group, rather than launch the activity by sharing the link or class code and specify live versus homework mode. While students work, monitor responses and intervene if many get stuck. This gives instant formative insight. After completion, export results as CSV or download reports to analyze patterns and plan follow-up. If something fails to load or students report blank screens, clear browser cache, check class sharing permissions, and ensure images are under size limits. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.